My name is Nick, and today marks the start of my C++ Basics playlist. You can expect this video series to give you a basic look into C++ coding, allowing anyone with zero experience to get an opportunity to program in C++. This is my first attempt at tutorial videos, and I'm always welcoming feedback on ways to improve. But Nick, there's so many playlists out there, why you? Well, you can expect short 5-minute videos throughout the entire playlist, allowing for quick learning. The goal of this playlist is to be short and concise, allowing for you to learn quickly without all the extra filler you can typically expect from other YouTube videos. We will start from installation and quickly dive into starting concepts of coding, so there is no need for prior experience. A little bit about myself: I learned C++ from a tech school and recently graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. I have had multiple internship experiences, including working as a software engineer for Collins Aerospace, developing software for the F-18 radios. And I am in the process of transitioning to a new role for Boeing in cybersecurity. I want to disclose that I am not perfect at C++, and I am learning new things every day. And as always, I will make mistakes. Please feel free to comment in any of my videos if they are misleading or not up to date, as I just want the best for anyone trying to learn. Thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you in the next video.